The time has come that the elasticity is about to pop. Look at Africa. Africa is loaded with disease. Ebola is not the disease of Africa. The disease of Africa is what? Malnutrition. They're suffering with a deficiency that all of us are suffering with. You understand? Like, let me break it down. Whenever I need to strengthen your bones, I go to a plant known as sea moss. Why? Because the active ingredient is calcium. When I want to nourish your blood, I go to the burdock, I go to the sarsaparilla, or I go to the other one which is known as encino. Because their active ingredient is iron. Whenever you talk about birds, what does birds eat? Seeds and fruits. Please don't tell that to an eagle. He eats meat. He will eat meat. He will eat you. But he's a bird. But if you leave that bird and go to another bird, like the lovebird and the quetzal from Guatemala, they eat seeds and fruits. Everything has a food designed for them. What is our food? Please don't look for it. Because our school teachers, our anthropologists, and our historians didn't write about that. So don't even look for it. And if we are not eating the food that is consistent with our cellular predisposition or our DNA, we are crazy. We are out of our mind, and I'm one of them. I'm one of you. You think I wasn't born sick? I was born with asthma. I was born with bronchitis. A baby is born sick. Yes, a baby is born sick. Mama, what did you eat with daddy before you went to bed that night to make me? Well, one day we eat crabs, the other day we eat lobster, the other day we eat conchs, the other day we eat shrimps, the other day we eat hog, the other we eat chicken and cow. And it's repeated in the cycle. The sperm that was injected into my mama 81 years ago, that is responsible for me today. You think that it was of the quality of my father in Africa 600 years ago? That it was not impregnated with blood or starch, which is acid? Come on now. You know we're sick. We are sick. But we cannot criticize ourselves. Because nobody is out of it. I'm in it with you. Just as sick as you. And maybe even sicker. But to rectify that disease state is what we have for today. Not to criticize anyone.